Hello guys, in this video we'll see how we can request any documents or information from our clients without chasing them via email, WhatsApp or any other communication channels. And that's the reason we have built ClientlyBase, so you don't have to do the chasing, we do that for you. Okay, so in order to send a document or information collection request, you just have to click here, send a request, and here you will see all the client email you have added in ClientlyBase. If you don't see a client, you can just create here, just click here, new client, name, add the name, email, and you are good to go. Once you add the client, you'll see it here. Let me select a client from here, like I'll use this client. Now in the step 2, you have to select a template. You can start from scratch as well, but it's better if you just streamline the process and just create a template. Okay, now let me use this template. Okay, and if you want to create your own template, just click here, manage templates, and here you can create your own template and you can reuse this as many times you want. For now, just select, I'm going to basically select this template, client onboarding, and here you can basically rename it, rename the request if you want. You can set a due date, so you basically create a sense of urgency for your client. And here automatic reminders, by default it is selected as every 2 days. You can select weekly, daily, or you can basically disable the reminders as well if you want. I am going to select the default every 2 days. You can also send a message to your client, so while basically filling the form, basically while submitting the files, they see this message. I'm just going to add some dummy text. Hello, submit all the okay. Now these are all the items coming from your template. Here also you can update if you want to further customize it. Let me delete some of the files so we can complete the request fast. Okay, now you can add another item if you want to update it. Also you can save it as a template, like this will get saved as a template, so next time you can reuse it. Now you can see the summary, like who is the client, then how many items are there, due date and reminder. You can save as draft, or let's send the request directly. Okay, now the request has been sent. Your client will receive an email with a link to the portal where they can basically submit the files or information. So just click view request, and here you can see the request. Once they basically submit all the files, you will see the files here. Also we have the activity as well, like what's happening inside the request. Let's go to that email. This is the email. I'm going to open this particular email. This is the email we just got. Once you click on open request, like they'll get a email like this. They can click on open request, it will open the request, and here they can submit their files. You can see what are the files they need, description, everything is customizable. They upload the file. Let me just add some dummy documents. Okay, I'll mark it this one as not applicable, as it's optional. Once you have completed everything, once your client has completed everything, they'll see like this. They are done. They can go to home, and here they can basically see all their previous requests and like the current request which is under review. You can basically send multiple requests as well if you want. Now let's go back to our dashboard, and here if I reload the page, I can see all the files we have. Now if I want, I can also restore this to pending, so they have to basically submit this file. For now I'm going to leave that. And here one more thing, if you have a file and if you think this file is not correct, if you want them to submit again, you can just reject it and give them a reason or instruction what you want. Once you reject, they will get a notification by email that you have to submit this file again. They have to come back and submit the document. Okay. Once you're satisfied, either you can approve one by one by checking, or you can directly click on approve here and it will approve the request. And once you approve, you can click here to download all the documents, and it will get downloaded here. Okay. And if you see from your client's view, they won't be seeing anything now. They will basically see you are all caught up. You don't have to do anything else. And under completed requests, they can see the requests. So this is how you basically ask your clients documents or information, and you don't have to basically chase them and let them know that we need this document, because we are doing that for you. So you just come here in the dashboard, you see basically open request. Like if you see any of the documents need attention, you will basically see it here, or request. So this is how you can use ClientlyBase to request documents or information from your client. And if you have any suggestions or feature requests, feel free to drop a message. You can use this live chat to send a message, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.